Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about uh, two very important properties of carbon. There's a tetravalency and catenation property. We learned that valency of carbon is 4. So carbon can combine with 4 different elements or 4 same types of elements having the valency 1 to form compounds. Carbon can combine with other element having valency 2 or 3, and as a result carbon can combine with so many different types of elements to form different types of compounds. So by sharing it 4 valence electrons, so the valency of carbon is 4, that is called the tetravalency. We also learned that the carbon can form single bond, double bond or triple bond with another carbon atom, and thus it can form a long carbon chain. This property of carbon is called the catenation property. So the carbon can form a carbon chain, long carbon chain. In today's class we will discuss about the different types of carbon chain. So write this heading: carbon chain. Okay. In today's class we will discuss about carbon chain. Means we learn that the carbon has the tendency to combine with another carbon atom to form the carbon chain, and this property of carbon is called catenation property. We also discuss about the different types of carbon chain. So first type of carbon chain, that is open chain, and another is closed chain. Here open chain means like this. Suppose this 4 carbon atoms, they combine to form a chain, but this the corner 2 carbon, they are not connected to each other, so it is a open chain, right? Now this open chain can be classified into 2 different categories, like with branch, open chain with branch, and open chain without branch. Okay, so open chain with branch means like this. Suppose here it is written without, without, without branch. So here it is, if the carbon, this one is the long chain, okay, this one is the chain, carbon chain, and this one is called branch. So here branch means actually, if the branch will be observed if this carbon, another carbon or another carbon, if it is present within, in between, it is connected with another carbon which is present in between this 2 corner atom. Okay, if this carbon is connected to any of this corner atom, then it will be in the chain, it will not be the branch. Means I am talking about this. Suppose this one, so this carbon is not the branch here. Okay, this carbon is not the branch, it is directly connected, so it is within the chain. Now if this carbon is connected here, okay, means it is connected with another carbon which is present in between these 2 corner carbon atoms, right? So this types of carbon or this types of substance, that is called the branch. Okay, and this types of carbon chain is called open chain with branch. Now here this one is the example of open chain without branch. Here no branch is there, that's why it is open chain without branch. Clear? Next, closed chain. If this 4 carbons, 4, 5 or whatever the number it will be, if the corner carbon atoms are connected to each other, means all the carbon have formed a ring. Okay, that is also called the ring. So it forms a ring. So this types of chain of carbon is called a closed chain. Okay, that is closed, it is not open. अगर हम लोग इसको ऐसे कर देंगे, that is open chain. But if each of the carbons are connected here, then it is closed chain. Okay. Now the closed chain can be classified into 2 categories also, with branch and without branch. Okay, with branch and without branch. With branch means like this one. Suppose this, here one carbon is also present, गले में जो हम लोग हार पहनते हैं, जस्ट उसके साथ अगर एक लॉकेट लगा हुआ रहेगा तो वो लॉकेट हो जाएगा यहाँ पे ब्रांच, है ना। दिस वन इज द क्लोज चेन एंड दिस वन इज ब्रांच। ओके, दिस वन इज ब्रांच। ओके, नेक्स्ट विदाउट ब्रांच obviously दिस वन, दैट्स द क्लोज चेन बट नो ब्रांच इज देयर। एक हार है लेकिन उसमें कोई लॉकेट नहीं है, दैट्स द विदाउट ब्रांच। Clear? So the chain of carbon can be classified into two categories: open chain, closed chain. Here open chain with branch, without branch; closed chain with branch, without branch. Okay. Now if I am giving you some examples, suppose I am giving you some examples, you have to identify whether it is closed chain or open chain. Number 4. Okay. Number 5. Okay. This chain may contain single bond, it may contain double bond also. Okay, suppose here like this, double bond, double bond, double bond like this. 6. So this one is open chain. There is open chain. This one is open chain. This one is open chain. This one is closed chain. This one is closed chain. This one is closed chain. Okay. Here, if we are talking about branch, then it does not have any branch, but one branch is there. So it is open chain with branch. There is two branches are there. Okay. It do not have any branch. Only the chain is there. No branch, and this one is branch. Okay. Now easily you can identify which type of chain it is. Okay. That is also called ring. Next. Let us discuss that how to fill a carbon chain by hydrogen. Okay. How to fill a carbon chain by hydrogen. Okay. So carbon can form single bond, double bond or triple bond with another carbon atom to form the chain. Now suppose I am giving you a chain, you have to just identify that whether you have to just fill the carbon chain by using hydrogen. Okay. Let me discuss about it. 1, 2, 3, 5. Let us solve this first. So what is the valency of carbon? The valency of carbon is 4 and the valency of hydrogen is 1. Okay. The valency of carbon is 4 and the valency of hydrogen is 1. So carbon can get connected directly with 4 hydrogen atoms. Okay, at a time. Carbon can get connected with 4 hydrogen atoms. Let us discuss. So here this carbon is already binded, okay, already formed a bond, okay, with another carbon. So it has 3 more bonds to form. Okay, it has 3 valence electrons remain, by which it can combine with another electron. Now with one hydrogen it will share 1 electron. So it already share 1 electron with one carbon. So it have 3 more valence electrons. So it will combine with 3 hydrogens. So it will put H3. Okay, so it will put H3. Means CH3 like this. You can write H3 towards this side or this side, no problem. Means you have to put this hydrogen with this carbon. Okay, you can write this side or this side. Now for this carbon there is also 3 hydrogen. Okay, 1, 3. Right. For this carbon it's already binded by double bond. Okay, double bond. So it will be CH2 and it will be CH2. Okay. For this कार्बन देखो आपको याद रखना है कार्बन का 4 वैलेंसी है, तो यहाँ पे 3 बॉन्ड है, मतलब कार्बन 4 बॉन्ड बना सकता है, एक हाइड्रोजन के साथ एक बॉन्ड बनेगा। ठीक है, इस कार्बन में देखो 3 बॉन्ड हो चुका है, तो और एक बॉन्ड बना सकता है, तो एक ही हाइड्रोजन के साथ ये जुड़ेगा। फॉर दिस कार्बन द सेम। ओके, लेट यू डिस्कस फॉर दिस कार्बन 1 bond is formed, so it will combine with 3 hydrogen more. For this carbon 1, 2 bonds are formed, so it will combine with 2 hydrogen, and for this it will combine with 3 hydrogen. Right? So here it is 2, 1, 2, 3, then 4, 1, 3. For this carbon 3, 1, 4. For this carbon 3, 1, 4 already done, so we will not put any hydrogen here. So in case of this carbon 1, there is 3. Clear? क्लियर है? तो ऐसे कुछ कार्बन चेन बना के आप खुद से भी इसको फिल करने का कोशिश करें। हाँ, लेट्स डिस्कस नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज सैचुरेटेड कार्बन, सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड carbon compounds. Saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Very important. It's already observed by us that carbon can form single bond, carbon can form double bond, carbon can form triple bond with another carbon. Okay. Whatever it is. In a carbon compound, if all the bonds are single bond, okay, if all the bonds in a carbon compound are single bond, then it is saturated. Okay, then it will be saturated compound. Means with phase will check the carbon bond, okay, not the bond with carbon with another element. Okay, हम लोग कार्बन के बीच का बॉन्ड देखेंगे, कार्बन के साथ दूसरे एलिमेंट का नहीं। कार्बन के बीच में अगर सिर्फ पूरे कंपाउंड के अंदर सिर्फ कार्बन के बीच में अगर सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा, देन इट इज सैचुरेटेड। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट वन इट इज सैचुरेटेड। फाइन, इफ any of the carbon bond is double or triple, then it is unsaturated. अगर कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा, कोई भी एक बॉन्ड, जरूरी नहीं कि सभी बॉन्ड को डबल बॉन्ड होना है या सभी बॉन्ड को ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होना है। वैसे भी एक कार्बन के दोनों साइड में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं हो सकता है, डबल बॉन्ड हो सकता है। ओके, अच्छा, अगर क्वेश्चन आप पूछे कि सर एक कार्बन के दोनों साइड में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड क्यों नहीं होगा, देखो अगर हम लोग ट्रिपल बॉन्ड देंगे तो कार्बन का देखो कितना बॉन्ड बन रहा है, 3 3 6 बॉन्ड्स है ना, ये कार्बन 6 बॉन्ड्स बना रहा है। बट एज यू नो द वैलेंसी ऑफ कार्बन इज 4, तो कार्बन विल नॉट फॉर्म 6 बॉन्ड्स। ओके, कार्बन विल नॉट फॉर्म 6 बॉन्ड, बट एक ही कार्बन के दोनों साइड में डबल बॉन्ड हो सकते हैं। ओके, दैट इज 2 2 4, दैट इज पॉसिबल। रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। फाइन, so here if any of the bond is double bond, then it is unsaturated. So this one is unsaturated. Okay, this one is also it contains triple bond, that is unsaturated. This one is also unsaturated. Remember this one, don't think that sir this one is saturated, this one is saturated. No, we have to check within the total compound. Okay, in carbon suppose the question is like that, CH3 C double bond O CH3, Suppose this compound is given. Is it saturated or unsaturated? अब ये डबल बॉन्ड देख के बोल दोगे कि सर दिस वन इज अनसैचुरेटेड, नहीं. You have to check the bond in between two carbon atoms. कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में देखो सिंगल बॉन्ड है, कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में सिंगल बॉन्ड है, सो इट इज सैचुरेटेड. तो याद रखें कि ये जो बॉन्ड हमें चेक करना है दैट इज इन बिटवीन कार्बन कार्बन. क्लियर? So obviously you can identify whether the given compound is saturated or unsaturated. ठीक है. तो हम लोग आगे क्लास में सैचुरेटेड अनसैचुरेटेड कार्बन कंपाउंड्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखेंगे. एक तो स्ट्रक्चर से सीखें और एक सीखेंगे कि फ्रॉम इट्स फॉर्मूला. अगर फॉर्मूला गिवन है स्ट्रक्चर नहीं दिया हुआ है तो कैसे करेंगे. We also discussed that how to identify saturated and unsaturated compounds chemically. Chemical reaction से उनको कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, किस टाइप की केमिकल रिएक्शन कौन शो करेंगे, इसके बारे में डिटेल्स डिस्कशन आगे होता है. तो लर्न अप टू दिस, इतना तक आप घर में प्रैक्टिस करें अच्छे से एंड विल डिस्कस अबाउट द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन इन द नेक्स्ट. थैंक यू.